MédiaCoeur is a French name for what brings together two words, médiation and cœur, mediation and heart. Mediation, in its oldest and most beautiful sense, is the art of standing in the middle, of bringing people closer, of reconciling. And the heart is where everything for me takes root. So MédiaCoeur is just that, bringing people closer and restoring the bond between them through the heart. I'm Pascal Paquette from LoveRadiance.com. This is what I call, in English, soul to soul mediation. It's a space for couples, for families, even for professional partners, for two people or more who wish to understand each other better, to truly hear one another, and to meet again at the level of the heart, beyond the situations and challenges of daily life. It's a relational work, a mediation of hearts. What makes these meetings so precious is that you come together. You hear the same thing at the same moment, in the same space. And from there, you learn to speak to each other differently, to communicate from the heart, in listening and openness. What once felt too hard to say finally finds a space to be heard. Little by little, harmony returns. The ease, the gentleness, the joy of being connected. You find each other again, you reconnect soul to soul. If your heart longs to come back together, it will be a joy to walk with you heart to heart.